I want to show you how I use Bristle's results as a dentist. So this patient we tested, and we found out that he really doesn't have a very high risk at all for cavities. His gum health is also pretty good, and he really doesn't have a high bad breath score. So in general, this patient needs to do his regular brushing and flossing routine, but I'm not going to advise that he does anything special because he's pretty healthy. He doesn't have a lot of high-risk bacteria. This patient is at higher risk for a lot of these diseases. He may have bad breath and he may have some possible cavities as well as gum inflammation. So this person's going to want to work extra hard having a low cavity risk diet and doing other things to prevent these diseases from becoming a problem. Lastly, this patient is not in good shape at all. I happen to know that this patient does have a lot of cavities that still need to be treated. And this person actually should probably be coming into the dentist more frequently for cleanings because that gum inflammation can really get out of control with all of those extra bacteria. So Bristle's test allows us to go into greater depth. I can actually find out what individual bacteria are causing this patient to be at high risk for gum inflammation. I know this one's particularly bad, so we're going to want to do things to reduce or eliminate it. So I can look at the patient's report card, which is like a snapshot of their oral health in a bunch of different ways. And then if they have a problem, I can dive deeper. I can look at all of the harmful bacteria that are causing them to be high risk. And then we can do treatments to actually help eliminate these bacteria. When we retest, we can see if the patient got better. And if they did, that gives the patient a peace of mind and we know what we're doing is working. And if it doesn't get better on a retest, that means we know the patient is not healthy yet and there's more that they need to be doing and we need to be doing as their dental provider to help them improve their oral health.